Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in my outdoor testing studio, and I'm here to talk to you about a really cool set of impact duty driver style drill bits. So a couple things. First thing that caught me on this, these are called Shockwave. Come on, that's almost like a Marvel comic kind of character name, Shockwave. So you have to get the drill bits just for that. But I needed a good drill bit set that I could use off multiple driver tools. And so these were the ones that I went with. I chose them because it comes with 16 drill bits, which is an amazing variety. Obviously with the driver on there, it is super easy to change between devices and drill bits. These have these 135-degree tips. I don't know if you could see that or not on that, which really reduce the amount of walking that the drill bit does when you start drilling a hole. They are titanium. They are super durable. They flip out like this, which makes it nice and easy for you to decide which one you want to work with and then choose it and work with it. Just so you can see what the driver looks like. Looks like that kind of a fastener to attach it. Outside of that, the only other thing that I could say is they have worked really well for me, which is really the most important thing. If you look at them, you can see wood bits, drywall, a little bit of plastic on one. I've used them a good bit. They work great. I have to give them a full 5 out of 5 just for the Shockwave name. But in any case, they do work and I would recommend them.